Well, we've had a lot of stuff going on in the shop here lately, and I haven't had much time to do any shooting. But the Vanity is installed, so I think you've got to get a good look at it. And besides, I kind of want to show it off myself. So come on inside, let's take a quick look.
I'm Roby Price, and welcome to my workshop. A bathroom vanity. Part 6, done and dusted. Well, the bathroom is not the best place to do any video shooting. You've got a lot of reflective surfaces, which means echo, and you've got a very limited amount of space to shoot from. Focal angles are going to be difficult, but we'll make the best of it here, and we've made the best of this room. You can see the slanted ceiling here. That is the roof. We have really shoehorned this in. Now, this will tell you why we don't have two sinks. The other sink over there probably wouldn't have worked. It wouldn't have made any sense. So if you have a similar space, you might want to consider the same thing. Now, about the vanity, we have picked a granite top that has a leather finish, and that kind of makes it look aged, especially with this type of a finish in this type of arts and crafts construction. Additionally, we've taken the floor tile and we've used it as the backsplash. Arts and crafts and tile go hand in hand, so this is a real key element to making it all come together. We chose brushed nickel finishes. I would have liked to have had pewter, but try to find them. So I think the brushed nickel is a good compromise. We're going to take a couple of close-ups here and get a little bit closer. We're going to step down and show you some of the details and how they fit into this cavity right here. When I said I was getting down low, I meant it. This is as low as I go. I think it may be time for another lens if we're going to keep shooting at these constrained spaces. So let's look at what we've got here. I love the through tenons. That is a classic arts and crafts feature, and it pulled off very nicely here. All these legs are proud. It looks like the whole framework is set back just right, and you can put your hand through here. Now that may be a little bit of a sweeping nightmare, but it gives the piece of furniture a really good look. Now the toe kick in the back, we painted it flat black, so it blends in. And part of that blending in too is that this tile goes all the way to the back wall. This cabinet sits on top of the tile, and that also, it helps promote the attitude that this is a piece of furniture sitting in and moved into place. All this came out great. I love the door pulls. The door hardware and drawer hardware are great. The pre-catalyzed lacquer finish, it's going to be plenty durable, last for years, and it looks good. This is a great piece. And if you've watched all these episodes, you have a good idea on how to make one for yourself. And I hope you'll give it a shot. But that wraps up this episode. Yes, very short. But as I said, we've been very constrained with other projects. Some of those will get aired, some of them won't. But we hope to finish up this room that's on the other side of this bathroom very soon, so we can get ourselves back in the shop. I hope to see you next time in Roby's workshop.